Okay, back out at the farm with Jorge's L-39 and John's F-16. Okay, start going? Or we wait?
Anytime you're ready, Frank.
Okay.
Where are you going, Frank?
Going this way. We'll stay.
Clockwise?
Yeah, counter.
Counterclockwise?
Counter, right?
Okay.
We'll say counter. Hold on.
Don't go too fast. Oh, you're doing loops.
Yeah, I'm gonna get behind.
What on earth? Alright, John, let's just fly a normal pattern because Frank's going a little crazy here.
There we go.
Yeah, let's fly together, guys.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna keep my throttle constant.
Yeah, don't go. I can't keep up with you guys. I think you guys are both faster than me, but I'm doing good though.
You're doing good.
I just got in front of you.
1 minute.
Let's do a low pass on the next one.
Low pass.
Low and slow.
Yeah, and try to.
You guys slowing down?
Slowing. I'm slowing.
We'll try to get in front of the crowd too.
Turning.
Low pass.
Very nice.
Do I need to slow down?
Yeah, you gotta slow down, man.
Okay, I'm gonna make a wider turn so I catch up with you guys and keep up with you.
I'm at like 25%, 30, 40% throttle right now.
22.7, I can go up a couple more turns.
Turn.
Alright. How about we land it soon? I'm gonna do a gear pass.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I still have time, so.
I still have time, but
Yeah.
my first flight
Yeah.
of the day.
Okay. All right, you.
Alright, my gear is good. I'm gonna land. You guys can keep flying if you want to.
Okay. My timer's not up yet.
Okay.
I can do a couple more passes.
I'll guide you in.
Alright. Landing left to right. I'm down.
Okay. I'm gonna catch back up to John.
Okay. I'll just try to fly a little slow.
I'm gonna cut this corner.
Speed up a little bit.
Okay.
Oh, there's my timer.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna do a gear pass and
Okay.
then land.
And I'll be after you.
Gear down. Confirmation. The
Gears are down. Very nice.
Flaps on. Low battery. Gear down.
Okay, I'm clear.
Okay.
Oh, I ran over the flag.
Okay.
Low battery. Flaps 1. Flaps 2.
Butter.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, good.
Awesome.
Taxi off. Good flying.
Yeah, good flight.
Thank you.
Flaps 1. Flaps 1.
Okay.